Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in the color white. Let's take a look. So starting up front underneath the hood, we do have a 3.5-liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. Nice thing about this unit, looking up front, we have our LED headlights, customary daytime running lights, and the fog lights. But if you look closely, we do have these Rigid Industries emblems, as well as seeing the Pro emblem inside of your headlamp here. Looking up front, just above your logo, we also have the front-facing camera on the grille. And we have this lovely hood scoop with the black detailing on the white body here. As we move along, we've got our black TRD Pro rims with the red TRD and your red suspension there. We also have our side mirrors with integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring. If you look underneath, you'll find an additional camera which contributes to the full surround view camera effect. Rear windows for this unit do all come with a factory tinting, and as you move along, you'll see that we do have it engraved into the side of the TRD Pro trim level. The TRD Pro trim badging is also in black on the back of our liftgate. In the back here, we also have the liftgate bed, which can be turned on or off to work automatically or left on and off permanently. Right next to your handle, of course, we do have our backup camera. And if you're looking just underneath there, you'll also be able to peek through and see where we have the spare tires stored. To open up your rear space, of course, just reach and release the handle. It is able to slow let itself down, not let anything get too bumped around. Take a quick look here throughout your bed space here. Once you get to the right-hand side, we do have additional storage, plus a power outlet, and the middle pane for your window is electronically controllable from up front in the cab space so that it can move side to side. Little extra flow in through there. Of course, to close up your tailgate, simply lift down and reach. Pull her up. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So, as we go into our back seats area here, taking a look inside, you'll see your internal upholstery is the black leather with this nice red stitch detailing and the texturing on the seats. On the back of your front passenger side seat, we do have the pouch storage, and in the middle of the console, we have the cup holders. We currently have the TRD Pro level of the rubber mats, which, as you can see, is a unique design versus our usual hexagon shape. Door has a little bit of extra storage there. As you move forward, take a look at your handle. You'll notice the two double lines, indicating it's a keyless entry unit. You can tap your hand here to lock and unlock. Inside the door panel, we have the power windows for front, back, and child safety lock, power lock system, and your side mirror controls. We also have electronic front seat adjustments, back, front, up, down, and then your lumbar support back here. Hood release latches on the bottom left-hand side of the dash. Above that, we have the controls for your bed light. As we said, can be turned on, off, or to work with the door. We also have our headlamps control, the power for your rear power outlet in the liftgate. We also have your surround view mirror, or your surround view camera rather, control right here, and then your traction control. And then crawl up in here and take a look at your steering wheel. So up here on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your radio, volume, and your hands-free communication. And then up here on your right-hand side, we have the controls for your dash. And then we have your cruise control, sonar, and your lane departure. In the middle is your infotainment center. This unit does come with built-in navigation, as we can see displayed right here. Really nice to have that built in, not having to worry about it. We also have your access to much of your other daily information and all of your audio listening. This unit does have AM, FM, and satellite radio. As you can see, we also have the full Bluetooth connectivity for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, plus having an optional USB adapter if you would prefer that as well. Underneath, dual climate control. You and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or you can sync them up to work in unison. We also have your two front heated seat controls, and then the defrost for front windshield and side mirrors. Next to that, dial for two-wheel, for high and for low, and your push start ignition. Just underneath, we have your control for your sensors, electric power, the control for that rear middle pane for your windshield. So if we look back, I'll actually move it open like this. See it slide across. Really nice to have that built-in feature. Letting a little bit of extra flow. And then we have your USB and your 12 volt. And then we have this unique little symbol, which you might notice actually matches the symbol inside this black lit up space. It controls this area, and it is a wireless charging pad for all compatible devices. Then around your leather shift knob, we have your cup holders and storage spaces. Last but not least, looking upwards, on your rearview mirror, we have these little house-shaped controls. These are your garage door openers. Above that, we have your crawl control, rear diff lock. We have your overhead lighting, as well as the controls for your moonroof. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in the color white. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Auto Mall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.